Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an information disclosure lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is source code disclosure via backup files. So the lab leaks its source code in a hidden directory. Identify and submit the database password, which is hard-coded. Sweet. All right, let's take a look. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. And let's get some leaked passwords. Source code via. So this makes me think that we should do proxy HTTP history. Start looking for a comment with /CGI bin. Oh no. Interesting. Okay. Let's look for any PHP files. 0 matches. Okay. Let's try. It's a shop. Product. Try causing an error. Invalid product ID. Now, let's see what we have here. Okay. What's the thing? Liability source via backup files in a hidden directory. In a hidden directory? How do we know what the directory is? We don't, because it's hidden. Backup files? Would that be like, should I just guess stuff? Like .back? In a hidden directory. Back. All right. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Let's go dashboard, target, actively scan. While this is, robots, duh, I'm an idiot. Robots.txt, this is like the classic /backup. I was actually kind of close. Back up. All right, so here's the product template .back, and then there's the database password. Is that what we want? So let's submit the database password. Yep. The reason I know it's database password because the format, we got the database user password, and that's the order of those things. So that would be. So I don't want to build the script. Let's just suck, because this is on a line by itself. Nah, bro. Nah. I am gonna take the easy way out on this one. And just submit and hard code that. So, seriously, Python utils. You've seen me do it like not hundreds, but a bunch of times while solving these labs. We've solved 100 and 80, 90 at this point. And while I haven't done it in each lab, even if I've done it in 1 out of 5, that means you've seen it close to 20 times. So Yeah. 1 out of 10 would be close to 20 times. 1 out of 5 would be like 40 times. So I think we're good, is what I'm saying. Password equals, pass. Yeah, so I'm hardcore coding it. And then I'm going to do shop.submit solution password shop.is solved. Okay. Python. There we go. Successfully submitted the correct answer, but there we go. All right. Sweet. Down goes another. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.